Welcome to my channel, Calculus. Think beyond numbers. Today, we'll be solving practice set 3.2 from the chapter Indices and Cube Roots, Grade 8 SSC Board. Let's solve the first sum. The first sum is complete the following table. If you look at this, they've already given us number in the form of power and root. Now, what is power and what is root? So, if you look at this, the base number is 225. The number 3 here, which is at the top, is called as the power, and upon 2, the number which is in the denominator is called as the root. Okay. So, first one says that power of the root. So, you have to write in the form of power of root. That means, how are you going to write? Now, look at this. The power is at the top. So you start writing the power first, because in the question it is said that you have to start with the power of the root. So 3 is called as cube. So I will write cube of, down there is 2. So 2 is square and its root. So square root of this number, which is 225, correct? Now, in this part, they are saying root of the power. So, you will start with the root first. So, 2, the number in the denominator is the root. So, you will say square root of cube of 225. Square root of cube of 225. You all can also try the next one. Again, we start with power of the root. Now, always remember the power is always the numerator. So, now here it is 4. So, what are you going to say? 4 is called as what? So we will call it as fourth power. So you can write it as fourth power of fifth root. Why fifth? Because 5 is down. So you will call it as fifth root. Fifth root of, the number is 45. Then here you have to write in the form of root, like you have to start with root. So you will say fifth root of fourth power of 225. Easy. Next, again, for the next number, 81 raised to 6 upon 7, here the power is 6. So you will say sixth power of 7 is down, its root. So seventh root of 81. Now the opposite, it's seventh root, because they want with the root. So you will say seventh root of sixth power of 81. Now the next one, it's fourth power of 10th root of 100. So it's fourth power of 10th root of 100. Now we'll write it as 10th root of 4th power of 100. And the last one for question 1 is, now see here, it is 3. Can I say third power of? You can say, but the correct way of saying is cube of. We'll not say cube power of, we'll say cube of. So cube of 7th root of 21. Here it is 7th root of cube of 21. That was question 1. Now I hope you have understood question 1 clearly. Now let's do question 2. Question 2 is just the opposite of question 1. There they had given us in the form of base and index. Now they have given us in words and you have to convert it into base and index. Okay. Now they are saying square root of 5th power of 121. So always remember that the of 121 means the number is 121. Okay. Now square root always comes down. Of 5th power, 5 goes up. So this is your first answer. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is cube of 4th root of 324. So of 324, so the number 324 comes down. It's cube of 4th root. So 4th root means the number 4 goes down, cube goes up. Clear? The next question is 5th root of square of 264. So 264 is in the base and 5th root means upon 5. Square is nothing but 2. Clear? The next one and the last question, it's cube root of 3. So 3 and it is cube root of 3. Always remember the power is up and the root goes down. I hope you have understood practice set 3.2 well. If you have any doubts, please do comment. I'll be very happy to help you out. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.